friends. So today what we are going to do is we are going to draw a cow. So let's see the supplies that we need. We need the half a paper. So you would be having half a paper from last week, right? We tore the paper in half, right? So you're going to take the other half. We need crayons to color. We need a pencil to draw, and we also need a whiteboard if you have one, or you guys can use a scrap paper for this. Okay, so I'm going to put away these things and then so let's see how we are going to. And also you need, these are the things that you need, that's all. So let's start drawing this little, not so little, it's a big cow. Let's see how it is done. So I'm going to take my whiteboard marker, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make rainbow, a big rainbow. Okay, so watch how big it, I'm leaving like 3 finger space on either side. Okay, 3 finger space here, 3 finger space here. Can you take 3 fingers? And then I'm going to make a rainbow. Starting from this point, I'm going to make a rainbow to here, and then I'm going to make a U and connect it. Okay, then what we're going to do next is on the top of the paper I'm going to leave like 4 finger space. Can you see? 4 finger space, and then I'm going to draw a line like that. Then I'm going to make a line passing through the line that we made just now. Okay, now we are going to connect this line with this. So I'm going to go like that and like this. Okay, so 2 lines, we made 2 curvy lines or 2 straight lines, it doesn't matter. Then next what we are going to do is we are going to make the, what does cows have? Cows have horns, right? So I'm going to draw the horns first. So did you guys learn how to make the letter C? So what we're going to do is we are going to make the letter C. Okay, and then I'm going to make a backwards C on this side. Okay, here I'm going to make a line coming down like that. From this point I'm going to make another line coming down, or you can make it this way also. Watch, I'm going to make another C like this, and then the C is still here, and then connect it. 2 C's, see? This C is a little bit bigger, and then you connect it. Which one is easy? Is this one easy for you, or do you think you can just make a C and then a straight line down? If that is easy, go ahead, do that. Maybe I'll stick to this. C, a backward C and a straight line coming down. Got it? Yeah. Then what we are going to do next is we are going to make a small rainbow like this on the side here, and on this side also a rainbow. Okay, and then I'm going to make a U or a smile like line. Can you see that? Like that. This is how you make a smile, right? So make those lines on either side. It should go all the way to the, it should be touching the line that we made. So this is the head, and these are the ears. So ears are attached to the head, right? So it's not like this. Does this look right? No. So we need to connect this rainbow line and this one, the curvy line, the bottom line also. Got it? Now let's make a small rainbow here and another one inside. Same thing over here. So another one inside. Okay, and then let's make his mouth. Okay, then I'm going to make his nostrils like that. Then we are going to draw the cow's neck. So I'm going to draw 2 lines like that. Okay, his neck is actually really bigger than this. This is a cartoon cow. Right now, the neck is so small, it looks almost like a giraffe's neck, right? It doesn't matter because it's a cartoon. Okay, if you want to have a grass sticking out of his mouth like that, you can add, or you can draw a flower. Maybe he's eating a flower. So I'm going to, do you know how to make a flower? I'm making a small circle. I'm going to make, see, more circles around it like that. Let me show you one more way. So a circle, connect another circle, another circle. So all the circles are touching to the middle circle. Got it? So we have the, you want to add the eyebrows, you can add the eyebrows also. Okay, so if you think you are ready to draw the cow on the paper, you can now take the paper and draw it. If you think you need one more practice to draw the cow, what you can do is go back, rewind the video, and draw along with me one more time. Okay, or 2 more times, as long as you are happy with how you're drawing. Then we are going to take a paper. I think we got this, right? So I'm going to draw it on the paper, but the paper, everything is going to be smaller because the paper is see how small the paper is. So I'll show you how many fingers space you need to leave on either side when we are drawing this. Okay, so you need to wait for me. You need to draw this along with me. Even though you now know how to do it, you are going to draw along with me. Got it? Yeah, so let's draw this together. I'm going to put my whiteboard away. I'm going to grab, you guys are going to grab your pencil. I'm going to grab my marker and we are going to draw this. So what are we going to start with? We are going to start with his the mouth, the snout, right? So we are going to place the, first let's talk about how we are going to place the paper. We are going to place the paper. We are going just drawing, focusing on the cow's head. So we are not focusing on the background, what is behind the cow. So when we are just focusing on the face, we usually place the paper in the portrait style. We're just focusing on this person, right? A person, Mr. Cow. So we are going to place it in the portrait style. If you are drawing, you are going to focus on the cow as well as the background. When we need more space to show the background, right? What we do is we place the paper sideways. So let's place the paper in the portrait style first, guys. Now let's first mark. Okay, so I'm going to on the bottom of the paper, I'm going to leave 3 finger space. So I'm placing my finger on the bottom of this, first finger is on the touching the bottom of the paper, 3 fingers. I'm putting a dot here, and then I'm putting 2 fingers. Okay, you guys have smaller fingers, maybe you can put 3 fingers, maybe 2 fingers or 3 fingers, maybe 3 fingers. I'm just putting 2 because I have bigger fingers. So I'm putting 2 fingers on this side also. See, I put the dots. Now what I'm going to do is we are going to make the rainbow arch like a rainbow, like this. So if you want to make sure how big the line is going to be, you want to practice with your fingers first. that is always a good idea, because on the paper, if it's on the whiteboard, you can erase it pretty fast, right? But even if you are drawing with a pencil, you can erase, but sometimes the pencil line still shows. So what I always do is I always practice draw with my fingers. So I am drawing a rainbow or an upside down U, starting from this dot and going to this one. Okay, and then I'm going to practice draw another U passing like this. So maybe I will draw the bottom U first this time. I'm going to draw the lines, the side lines first, and then I'm going to go through that. Okay, I need some space for the neck. That's why we left 3-finger space on the bottom, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the upside down U or the rainbow. It should be connecting from here to here. Okay, so I'm just going to connect it nicely, make the lines a little bit thick. So you guys are drawing right now with a pencil, right? So what you guys should do after you're done drawing everything with a pencil is you can go ahead, take the black crayon and then go over the pencil lines and make it nice and dark. The lines, when it stands out, it will look nicer. It will look like you made your own coloring paper. Okay, so you do that, or you can if you wanna take the black marker that comes in the marker set, you can use that also. Okay, but because we are going to color everything with crayon, you can just use the black crayon. Okay, so next what we are going to do is we are going to make the line on top, right? So we are going to leave 3-finger space on top and then make a dot here. Got it? Can you see the dot that I made? Yeah. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line passing through this dot. Is it going to be a long line from here to here? No, the line should be smaller than this one. Remember how the cow looked? Is this line longer than the snout? No. So this line is going to be a smaller line. I'm drawing a line that passed through that, and then I'm going to make 2 lines coming down. From here, I'm going to draw a line to here, and from here, I'm going to draw another line. Got it? So we have both the lines. Now what is remaining? We are going to draw the horns. So the horns is what shape? So we are going to make a C like this and come to this place where this line and this line join. This line and this line join, right? A C, maybe a C, a backward C, and then I'm going to make a straight line down. I have the horns done. Now let's make the ears. So the ears are starting from the side here next to the horn here. So I'm going to make a curvy line like a rainbow like this, almost touching the side of the paper. And then I'm going to make another line, U shape or like a smile. Got it? Each time if you think you need some practice, you can first draw with your fingers first. I'm going to draw another line and then this one. Got it? Now what is remaining? We need to draw the eyes. So the eyes are super easy. We will start with a small rainbow. One here, and maybe this one is a little bit, maybe I can make it a little bit more bigger. I'm going to make a bigger rainbow around that. Got it? So, and then I'm going to make the eyebrows. When you're done with the cow drawing, what I said is you're going to come back and then outline everything, go over all the lines. That is what I mean by outlining. You're going to go over all the lines with the black crayon. Why I'm drawing with the Sharpie is because if I draw with a pencil, it's not that clear to see, guys. Okay, so when you're doing that, when you're drawing over all the lines that you made with the pencil, with the crayon, what you're going to do at that time is you're going to I'm going to leave some see, I made a line like that, a curvy line, and then I'm going to fill the eyes black, the rest of the area black. I'm not filling in this spot. Okay, so it's like a shine in the eye. Now I'm going to make his nose, two nose, and then I'm going to draw his mouth. He's a happy cow. Maybe a little bit more curvy up. He's very happy. Now I'm going to draw his neck. It's like a curvy line, a backward C, and a C like that. Or even you can draw a straight line. If you don't want to draw the C like thing, you can draw a straight line downwards. Now remember, we drew the cow eating a flower, right? So I'm going to draw a line coming out like this. Remember how we made the flower? I made a circle. I'm putting a circle around it. Another circle, another circle, another circle, another circle. Okay, now all that is remaining is we are going to make this cow look like it has spots. So I'm going to make a dark like a curvy line, or you can draw a line wherever you feel like. A spot here, any line you feel like here. Okay, so I have some spots on the cow. Maybe I can color in the spots with the black. So while I'm coloring the spots black, what you guys are going to do is you're going to take your crayon and go over all the pencil lines that you made, and then you're going to color in the spot. If I'm going too fast, you can pause, and then once you catch up with me, once you reach here, you can unpause. Okay, so see you soon. Hi guys, you're back. Okay, so I'm coloring the spots black. Hope you guys have colored the other, not colored, you have outlined everything, right? I'm going to color his ears also black. So the ears are done. This marker is running out. Maybe this cow has gray spots. Okay, so the cow, we don't have to, this is a white and black cow, a white cow with black spots, or you can make it like a brown cow with black spots. It's up to you how you are going to color this. I'm going to color the snout pink. So I'm going to color it, taking time. I'm trying to color in the same direction. Can you see how I'm coloring this in the same direction? Okay, got it. Now let's color the flower. Maybe we'll color, you can color whatever color you want for the flower. Okay, I'm just using red and orange for the flower. It's up to you. I'm going to make this cow, should I leave it white or should I color the cow brown? Let me see if there are brown cows with black spots. Let me Google that. brown cows with black spots, or I think usually brown cows are just brown. Oh, there are brown cows with white spots. But not the other way, I guess. So maybe the spots you can either make it black or maybe you can make brown. That's the option. Okay, maybe I'm going to, so the spots and the ears, you can make it either brown or you can color it black. The rest of the cow is going to be white. Okay, so that is easy. You don't have to color that much, right? Then what we're going to do next is we're going to color the background. So when we are coloring the background, so we'll take the crayon like this, and then we are going to hold the crayon sideways. If you have a crayon that doesn't have the wrapper or the sleeve, you can just color it sideways like that. See that you don't color the cow. Okay, don't get the color on the cow. That is, you need to be a little careful about that. Okay, or you can just hold the crayon like this. Usually when we color, we hold it this way, right? Instead we'll hold it this way, and then you're going to color very carefully like that. So we are going to do this, we are going to take this time and do this. If you're doing it super fast, what will happen is you're going to get the color, the blue on the cow. So cow's horn, should we color it black or maybe we can leave it white itself? So I'm going to leave it white. Okay, so we are done. Okay, so all that you need to do in the end is write your name here, your room number and your grade, and take a picture of your art and then email me in the email ID I am going to put in the end. Okay, I would like to see what color you used here for the ears and the spots. I want to see if you used black like me or if you used brown. Okay, so I'm waiting to see what colors you have used here, and I hope you had fun drawing the cow with me. So till we meet next time, bye bye.